So Roth, we got a pit bike race coming up in January on the 15th. What do you think?
Oh, you guys are going down?
Yeah?
79 two-stroke is taking it.
You think you got it, huh?
I got
What are you doing here right now?
It's tires. That Dave Sibley guy, I'm taking him out in the first corner.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think you got him under control?
Yeah, he's all cocky and stuff, running his mouth about my homemade bike. I'll show him how homemade it is.
He looked pretty fast last time, though.
Yeah, he's fast, but
you're always entertaining. You know, you always throw it away.
Yeah.
All right, so that's all, huh?
That's it.
All right, we'll see you January 15th, Salem Arena Cross Flat Track Pit Bike National.
It's on.
Hey Tyler, what do you think? We got a pit bike race coming up on January 15th. Who's going to take it?
I don't know. It's anybody's game. Pit bike racing is anybody's game. It's all on who stays up on their two wheels.
Yeah, you think you got a chance?
I hope. Probably not. If my bike doesn't fall apart this time.
All right, we'll see you on the 15th.
You will.
Be ready.
I will.
Sibbly Dibbly, you hear about the pit bike event that's coming up? I heard there's a lot of people talking smack. It's getting some big press.
Beginning to hear this, yes.
So what do you think? What do you think about that event?
I think it's a lot of fun, and I look forward to hopefully winning it.
Yeah? Well, Gary T, he was kind of a sleeper in the last one. He pulled out, I think, a third.
He'd probably be better off putting Shandy on it, this time. I think he got lucky. I really think be lucky to get his balls back from her for another night, but we'll see. Yeah, Gary did good, but...
What do you think of that Roth character? He was on an old crazy bike. I don't know what they call that thing.
Yeah, he needs to stick with the death metal, and I don't know about that homemade sickle he's got, but it's definitely going down again, and all it does is make a bunch of noise, basically.
Yeah, he said he was putting it back together. I was trying to figure out exactly what that means.
I can understand that.
Yeah. And then Augie, he was on the throttle last time. He's
super intense. Yeah. I envision him throwing his bike at the end of this race and possibly crying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I heard there's maybe going to be some more people showing up this time. We're looking for some newbies.
Kowalski, I heard he won the last event. He's an up-and-comer. I think his kid also. There's a lot of guys having fun. I think Tyler will be stuck in the B main. We'll see about Bobbitt. I think sandbag to get to the B mains. Arlo did the same thing, sandbagged, and then got to the wind of the B main. So
hey, what about the women? There's a lot of women that show up to this stuff.
Lindsay was impressive. She actually was riding a cheater bike, but other than that, she did real well. It's surprising. You see the riding styles on these little bikes, and Josh Silbernagel did a tremendous job, made it to the A main, and held his own. So
yeah, he was a sleeper too. He was on the throttle.
Yeah, there was a lot of good racing. I think if you don't come out and race, you're missing out on one of the best times you're going to have all year.
I agree. We'll talk to you later. Hey Danny, you've been hearing all of the rumors about this pit bike race coming up on the 15th of January?
I have. Pretty scary.
What have you heard?
Well, I heard that Eric's riding a piece of crap. He's going to take everybody out.
Yeah?
And then I heard Dave Sibley doesn't like Eric's piece of crap. He's going to take Eric out.
And then what about Drew, Good Times Goodman in the parts department? Is he in, do you think? Or what do we got going on there?
I think Drew will have a good comeback. I think he'll come in there and just, he's pretty kickback, but I think he'll take a hold of it, take control.
Yeah?
I think he's got it. I think he's gonna win.
What about that Kowalski guy? He won the last event.
That guy's crazy.
You think he's got a chance of this upcoming one? Because there's going to be a lot more people. There was only like 6 or 7 at the last one.
I think Mike's got a good chance as well.
Yeah?
He's just gung-ho all the way. He don't care about none.
Yeah, he sent me some pretty nasty texts.
Yeah.
He sent me some nasty texts the other night. Said he's going to smoke me.
Nothing from nobody.
I'm gonna take him out.
Yeah.
All right. Well, hopefully you'll be down there January 15th. You gotta try to find a bike, and
That's pretty much it. That's my problem.
Yeah. Let's find you something and let's be there.
Let's put razor blades on the tires.
All right, we're gonna do that.